Konnichiwa! Jollibee ads have been flooding my timeline for the past 3 days. And it got me interested to watch those videos, which are actually Valentine's Day offering of Jollibee. Siyempre, naniniwala ako ng lubos sa impact na ibinibigay ng TV ads, kaya kahit hindi ako masyadong naniniwala, I still believe. Pinanood ko na yung dalawa, yung Crush at yung naging viral yata siya last year, yung Kahera. And hindi niya masyado ako na-persuade na bumili ng Jollibee. Wala mo kasi bibilhan dito. Kung kahit nasa Pinas man ako, hindi ako ma-persuade na bumili ng Jollibee just because of those ads. Because they are... Walang masabi. Because there are better commercials before that have made me cry to the max. But those two, nah. So let's try one more ad. Ito yung, Diyos ko po, Rudy. Talaga naman. Kinakikilig ng aking mga ka-works. And I'm excited to see it personally. Tingnan natin kung kaya nila yung powers ko. Go! 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 Go!
Hindi ko makakalimutan ang ngiti mo nung una kitang nakita. Naalala ko nun, sa Jollibee pa lang, sinabi ko na sa sarili ko, she's the one.
Spicy chicken joy with extra rice. And a plate of pineapple juice.
Noon pa lang, alam ko na that you're the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Ahoy!
Kaya pinapangako ko na I will be the man for you.
Dami naman books.
Pinapangako ko na pasasayahin kita. I'll be there whenever you need me. I'll be patient with you at all times. I promise I will never change. Mahal na mahal kita. Gusto ko, ikaw ang pinakamaligaya sa lahat. Kahit hindi naging tayo. I'll always be your best friend.
Bongga. Naiyak ako. Bongga. I demand Jollibee in Japan. Onegaishimasu. Kaya ka na. Ang galing.